Welcome back to Kindle English. Thank you for watching. Are you guys okay? Hopefully you are. If you are, that's good. You should keep it up. Don't forget to sanitize, wash your hands, and clean up after yourself as much as you can. Okay? What we're going to be doing is we are going to be talking about the 12 verb tenses, but itu hanya overview aja. After that, I will divide it up in 2 parts, and you guys will be able to listen carefully and understand each part slowly and surely enough so you can make sure you understand everything that I'm saying. I'm also okay here, if you guys were wondering. Everything else is fine here. Jogja is fine, and the people in my house are fine. My family is great, and hopefully you are too. To my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing, and keep sharing and keep liking my videos that are always fresh and new just for you. As well as to the new people who have just arrived to my channel and who are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and hit the bell for more notifications when my next videos are going to come up. So, do you know what those 12 verb tenses are? Or if you don't, nggak apa-apa, it's okay. That's why I'm here and I'm going to give it to you. The first set of verb tenses are present, and then there's another set which is past and the future. When we talk about these things, it might be difficult because all you guys must be thinking about is, grammarnya salah nggak ya? Grammarnya salah nggak ya? It's okay. Don't necessarily think about the grammar, but I'm going to tell you little bits and pieces of how the grammar works and an example to show you. Yeah? The first one I'm going to tell you about is the present. All of these tenses go in order. So it will be, for example, present simple, then present continuous, and then present perfect simple, and finally present perfect continuous. Then it's the same for the past and the future. Urutannya sama semua. Jadi past will become past simple, and then past continuous, past perfect simple, and past perfect continuous. Abis itu future. Future simple, and then future continuous, and future perfect simple, and future perfect continuous. I know it's very hard to remember all of those, but sometimes even I forget. But that's okay. It's a process, remember? Okay, so the first thing you're going to focus is talking about the present simple. Now it's easy because all you have to do is think about simple things. Think simple. Start simple. Focus on everything simple. Now the first one is the present simple. Now the first example, of course, I'm going to give you would be, she smokes 3 packs a day, which in turn that means dia rokok 3 bungkus sehari. Alright, so that actually talks about habits. Karena kebanyakan habit, biasanya kita langsung mikirin yang buruk. That's why I gave you that example. Okay, so it's all about habits. Don't forget. Example number 2 is Donald Trump is the president of America. Donald Trump adalah presiden Amerika. This is a sentence that focuses on facts. So anything that is a fact and it is still true sampai sekarang ini, you can use that as an example as well. And you can follow along with my examples if you want to. Now, the last one for the present simple family is I use my motorcycle to go to work. Aku menggunakan motorku untuk ke kantor. Can you guys guess what this tense is used for? Every day I go to work, I use my motorcycle to get there. It's all about routines. You would use this kind of sentence to talk about daily routines. Any questions so far? Remember, if you want to keep giving me questions or if you're still confused, you can. Go ahead and do it in the comments below. Okay? The next tense in this family is the present continuous. I'm only going to give you this tense based on the present, ya. Even though ini tense-nya sebenarnya bisa digunakan untuk future, tapi itu nanti aja. Nggak apa-apa, biar nggak bingung ya. This example I'm going to give you is the first one, which is, oh yeah, I almost forgot. It's I'm giving you an English lesson right now. This sentence is to talk about things or activities that are happening exactly right now. Saat ini juga aktivitasnya lagi berjalan. I'm giving you an English lesson right now. Or maybe another one is you are watching my channel. Example number 2 is he is reading a really good book. Dia sedang baca buku yang bagus. This example is to talk about something that is actually not happening right now, but is happening still. Even though he is not reading the book right now, tapi dia mulai dari awal in the past, and then he's still reading the book, so he's not finished, and he will continue into the present reading the book. Even though he is not reading it saat ini juga, karena dia baca dari awal, sampai sekarang masih belum selesai baca bukunya, untuk kedepannya belum tahu selesainya kapan, it can still be used with the present continuous. Alright, the next one, get ready, okay? Because this one is starting to become a little bit more difficult, but hopefully my explanations will be able to help you figure out the difference. The next tense in this family set is present perfect simple. The example I'm going to give you on this one is I've known Jane for 3 years. Aku sudah kenal Jane selama 3 tahun. This example shows that it's an unfinished action because I've actually known Jane for 3 years, starting from the past up until now, and I will of course know her in the future still as well. So it's still an unfinished action unless we break up and we're not friends anymore, and so then it will be a finished action. But at the moment, this one is an unfinished action. Example number 2 for this one is he has been to Thailand. This example shows that it's for talking about experience. Only for experiences. Aku nggak peduli kapan dia ke Thailand, yang penting aku sudah tahu dia pernah ke sana. That's all that matters. So it's just for pengalaman only. Shouldn't use it with anything else at the moment. Next will be present perfect continuous. Okay, are you still with me? Hopefully you are. Semangat ya, because it's as difficult as it is for me, it's definitely, I know it's probably difficult for you. Tapi bisa kok. So the next tense we're going to be talking about in this family is present perfect continuous. present perfect continuous still starts in the past and it continues to the present because we do have a memory of it, and then it's still happening right now, and then it could happen into the future. This example is, I have been shopping at the same mall since 2006. Aku sudah berbelanja di mall yang sama sejak 2006. That indicates to you that it's talking about an unfinished action, yet it started in the past, and it continues to the present, and hey, it might continue to the future. And it's talking about, of course, how long it has been going on. Example number 2. She has been working out at the gym recently. Dia berolahraga atau fitness di gym belakangan ini. This example shows that it's an action that has started in the past and continues to the present, but of course it's been happening over and over again not too long ago from the past. Do you understand what I mean? I know it's kind of difficult. So let me repeat it again so you understand it very carefully. She has been working out at the gym recently. So not too long ago, she started working out at the gym, and she's been doing that over and over again, starting from the past and into the present. And you can see a result based on how she's working out and her body has changed. Example number 3. I have been jogging for hours and hours and whew, I'm so tired. This example shows, wait a minute, I forgot to give you guys the translation. Here, let me give it to you. It actually means, aku jogging udah lama banget dari pagi tadi sampai sekarang dan aku capek banget. This example shows that you've started doing something in the past, maybe in the same day even, like I said before, in the morning. You started jogging in the morning, and then as a result, in the middle of your jogging, you might show that you're tired. So this is an action that started in the past and it still continues, and it could still not be finished yet because you haven't reached from point A to completely point B. You could be in the middle of your activity and show a result that what you have been doing results in how you are during the activity. Okay? You got it so far? Hopefully you're getting there. If you haven't understood yet, you can either review this video, of course, or go ahead and give me some more detailed questions in the comment section. So that's what we've reviewed so far based on the present family. And in my next videos, what I'm going to do is, of course, continue the set by giving you even more details. Please let me know what kind of details you want in my next videos based on the grammar tenses. Remember, for those of you who are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell for more notifications when my next videos are going to come up. And then of course to my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing, and keep on sharing and keep on liking, even though that's not right grammar, but that's okay. Keep on liking my videos and I'll definitely be back with more. See you guys next time.